What is going on, everyone? Ever wonder what 2,000 mobility bands looks like? Well, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks inside of my wife's Toyota Highlander. This is going to be a noisy, dingy trip to storage. Oh, turned off. Never mind. Okay. So anyway, yeah, we have a separate place where we hold all these kits, and we have them at the clinic. And now we're transforming our old FM space that we had moved out of because we didn't need all the additional space to see patients clinically. We're turning that into a gym, and David, our main exercise therapist and personal trainer, there's the dinging back on again, he is building it out, and he's going to build up his personal training side of things. Here, I'm going to pull over. This is going to be way too freaking annoying. Anyway, another thing, there's a link in here about our impact event coming up that yeah, I might be able to make this work. That impact event, okay, trying to break stuff. That impact event, like I was saying, is in a couple weeks. It's October 16 and 17. We got a lot of cool people coming out. We already have, I believe, 13 people registered. My goal was to get 18. Might have to open it up to a couple more because it's filling up pretty quickly. I guess people are stir crazy, ready to get on a plane and start learning. Sick of sitting at home on your hands. From everything that's gone on this year. Yeah, this is like Blair Witch Project video. I'm trying to push the seatbelt in here so the airbag light stops. Hold on, I'm gonna put this down. Hold on. We'll resume momentarily. Bear with me for this extreme unedited live event. So I got the seatbelt pulled through. Let's see. Seatbelt. Got it. All right. And it's almost there. Hold on. Probably looking at my nose right now. Okay, good. We got it. All right. Nice. No more ding-dinging. Okay. So we're heading over to move all these kits, or all these mobility bands, and I figured this would be a good opportunity just to talk about the impact event of what we're doing and what this is. So, if you're totally brand new to this, we have a program called Move Now University, and we teach chiropractors how to put functional movement into their chiropractic practice. Why would you want to do that? Pretty massive benefits, I would argue. One is you provide a service that patients need. They dearly need to get better. Why let them seek that from someone else when they can do it in your house, your clinic, under your watch, with an exercise department that if you want to be engaged with and you want to be back there yourself, great. If you want to do it like we do it, where we have a trained staff that follows under the doctor's guidance, and they follow tried and tested protocols that work amazing. That's how we do it. That's how we teach it. That's what I'd recommend. It's called departmentalizing your clinic. That is the whole goal, is to have an exercise department in your clinic, not run a one-man or one-woman show and you try to do it all on your own. I do not recommend doing that. I think that defeats the purpose. The purpose of this is to be able to generate services, results, and revenue while you're adjusting patients, and it leverages your time. It actually does this thing called building a business. It builds a business. So it's not you having to do everything, and it's not just a bunch of passive therapies. That's what a lot of doctors successfully do, is they have different things going on as far as rendering services, but they're all passive therapies. And the problem with passive therapies is that passive is just that. It's not with the patient being active in the process. And clinically, it's only something that should be done fairly early on and then intermittently throughout the patient's care. It should not be the thing that is done for the entirety of the patient's treatment plan. So clinically, you want to evolve them towards active care. From an insurance standpoint, they're going to fight you on it. From a personal injury standpoint, they're going to fight you on it. From a patient boredom standpoint, most patients are way more engaged when they're an active participant versus just doing passive stuff. But first and foremost, it works. It's what delivers results. So that's what we teach. We have an impact event. We do these usually 3 times per year. This is only our second one this year. I don't have to explain as to why we had to cancel our other one, but because of COVID, obviously. So we had one in February. This is our next one now, October 16, 17, and we do a 2-day event. It's a Friday, Saturday event. We have doctors fly in usually on Thursday evening. Some even fly in Thursday midday. They'll come into the clinic and they'll observe and check out what we're doing. If you want to do that, just shoot me a message so we can arrange it, because we can't have 20 doctors coming in the day before while we're seeing patients, but we can have a handful and we can stagger it and schedule it, and you can see us working real time in the clinic. So we can totally schedule that for you if you want to come in earlier on Thursday. A lot of doctors fly in Thursday afternoon and then they show up Friday morning. We start at about 10 a.m. on Friday purposely because some doctors fly in Friday morning, depending on where you live and what the flights are. But we start Friday, we go all day Friday, long day, all day Saturday, long day, and then you fly out Sunday, and it's a ton of camaraderie, it's a ton of just actionable information that you learn, and then you bring this back to your clinic, and you and your team are super pumped, and you see it in real life, and you can imagine how this is going to work in your clinic. This is for our members traditionally. This one we're going to open up to non-members, but it's first come, first serve. Right now, everyone that's registered are members. Dr. Jeff Kronk from Smart Injury Doctors, he's going to be coming out to this too to speak and for us to meet in person. We've collaborated on stuff and just never met in person, so this is a cool opportunity for him to come out and see Idaho and also hang out with us a bit. So he's going to come out. There's a big draw just for him. A lot of people know who he is and follow him, and we're going to launch this out to his group, so inevitably we'll probably have a couple of non-Move Now doctors come out from Dr. Kronk's group. But anyway, it's something that we are going to cap at a certain head count just to keep it manageable. And we have lots of space here. We have about 5,300 square feet in our clinic, so we're going to be opening that up to do all the teaching. And it'll be fun, and I'm excited about it. There's a link that I put in this description. If you want to click on it, you can get access to it, and you can jump in. If you're listening to this on a replay in the future on a podcast, and October 16 and 17 has expired, you can reach out to us and find out when our next impact is going to be. It's probably going to be early 2021 after it starts to warm up here, depending on what the snow season looks like. So with that said, hopefully that's enough reasons to at least be interested in this, and hit us up, put a comment, reach out. You can always email me at Dr. Todd, drtodd at movenowu, like university.com. So Dr. Todd at movenowu.com. Go to the link that I showed you, go to our website, which is movenowu.com, and all the information's on there as well. You can schedule a demo and see our program. You can go to demo.movenowu.com and watch the demo. There's all kinds of links. We got a book, book.movenowu.com, and get a free book. Oh, we got links out the you know what. But this is what 2,000 mobility bands looks like, and I'm transferring these as my wife is working away in the clinic. And then I'm heading home to get some work done this morning before we go into the office this afternoon to see patients. And that's all I gotta say. So hope you have a great day. Talk soon. Over and out.